Well, hello YouTube, this is Jules, and in this first Adobe Premiere Pro CS3 tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to uh, cut your video very basically and create fade-ins and fade-outs. Let's get started. So first click New Project, and here the program asks you which preset you want to use for your video. Well, if you want to make a YouTube video, I suggest you choose standard 48 kilohertz or whatever this is, and I'm gonna name this tutorial. Alright. So now the program has popped in. So first off, we're gonna import some footage. So let's go into File, Import, and select some spore footage. Alright, so now the spore footage is open. It's right over here, and as you can see, if I press the little play button, it's previewed in that small little thumbnail right here. So what we're gonna do here is take this sequence and drag and drop it into video 1. So here's our project. So yeah, my little creature swimming out of the water. So what we're gonna do first is cut unwanted parts from the video, like the loading. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna zoom in for a better cut. So there's two ways to zoom. Either you can take the zoom tool right here and click until you're satisfied, or you can use the little arrow right here and simply move it. Alright, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna drag this until we reach the right spot, let's say here, and we're gonna use the razor tool here and simply place it where we want it and cut. Alright, and we're gonna click on the arrow tool, select this and press delete to get rid of it. Alright, so now we want to fade in. So what we're gonna do is first we're gonna click this button right here and make sure show keyframes is selected. Same thing with the audio sequence, and then we're gonna select our sequence and click on this button right here to add a keyframe on both video and the audio sequence. And then we're gonna go a little further and we're gonna do the same thing. Now you want to select the first keyframe on both the video and audio sequence and drop it until it reaches the bottom of the sequence. And as you can see, when you go back on the video sequence, the opacity is lowered until 0, and in the audio sequence, well, basically the sound is lowered to minus something decibels. So if you press play, the video is gonna fade in. And if you want to make a fade out, well, simply repeat the process backwards. So add 2 keyframes and take the last keyframe and drop it. And what this is going to do here is give us a fade in and a fade out. Well, this is it for this first tutorial. I hope this will help you out, and this is Jules signing out.